What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to remove student from your class in Classdojo, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So if you're using a web browser, please delete students with caution, of course. Once deleted, the student can only be recalled to the class they were deleted from if they were in your school's directory prior to deletion. They recommend you check for the listings in directory prior to deleting them from the class. And again, if student you want to delete isn't in your school directory, please email them at hello@classdojo.com. So note that deleting a student from class does not delete them from the school directory. If you want to delete a student, basically open your class, click on options and then select edit class. From the student tab, find the student and click on the avatar tile. Then you can select remove student from class and basically confirm the removal by clicking on remove student from the class, which is this red over here. Press on save and basically you're good to go. Maybe you can even just press on the red over here. It will not require save, but if you have problems, know that you have to press save. If you're using an Android or iOS, the process is similar. Open the class on the Android, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the class, select edit students, select the pencil to the right of the student from who you want to delete, and select remove student. Confirm removal by tapping remove. And if you're using the iOS, basically open the class, tap on the three dot button in the top right corner of your class screen, select edit students, select the pencil to the right of the student and select remove student. Confirm the removal by tapping on remove. So guys, that's the entirety of the process. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.